correct watering is important in early summer. Early summer lasts about 23 days and starts with the early flower. It is also the beginning of the strawberry period.
I was lost or I was found, nothing ever in between.
The phenological calendar divided the year according to how it appears in the nature. One does not speak of months, but of 10 phases into which the year is divided. Today we are looking at early harvest strawberries and collect elderflowers for a tea that helps fight the flu and cold in the winter. What to do in early summer? The correct amount of water is very important to keep your plants healthy. Recently, it has been very warm in Germany. As everyone knows, when it is hot outside, we have to water our plants more. However, it would be wrong to give the plants a shower every day. 5 liters per square meter is enough for 3 days. If the lower layer of soil remains dry, this will lead the plant not be able to drink enough. However, be careful. With broad beans, infestation with apples is practically unavoidable and should not be as a problem. After all, ladybugs need something to eat. You can still plant cabbage seedlings for the autumn harvest until mid-June. It is the best you have preserved these in small pots. I planted Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, kohlrabi and kale. In between goes lettuce and student flowers, the tagetes. You should only harvest part of the rhubarb so it can gather new strength for the next year. Rhubarb also contains more kidney damaging accident as the season progresses. When the strawberries are ripe, they should be covered with nets because the birds love them as much as we do. Let's come back to the watering again. If plants have hanging leaves in the hot midday heat, this is not yet a sign for drying out. The plant is just protecting themselves from losing too much water from the heat. Better reach into the ground first and check the soil to see if it's dry. If you feel moisture a few centimeters below the surface, the plant is fine. It is important not to be wasteful when watering plants. So to conserve water, please do not water plants when the sun is out, because a lot of water will be lost to evaporation. Overwatering may increase the population of the annoying Spanish night snails. Plants also become lazy when you overwater and won't try to create deep roots. This will only cause more work for you. This is all about quality, not quantity of water. A little extra tip. I regularly crop the soil around the plants, as this frees them from weeds. Cropping has the value of fertilization and means 10 higher yield each time.